Hello everyone, welcome to my documentary on astrobiology. This is my personal project and I'm going to explain astrobiology through the James Webb Space Telescope and how astrobiology is studied through the James Webb Space Telescope. Firstly, you need to understand that astrobiology is life outside of our Earth and biology, well, the study of life. Since the beginning of time, humans have looked into the sky and wondered if we're alone in this universe. And scientists mainly have had this question for many years. They all decided that they should build a tool, the James Webb Space Telescope. This is our project objectives today and what we're going to understand. So, how is infrared light detecting life? Well, infrared light is something we cannot see with our naked eyes, but many objects in the space glow in infrared because they emit heat. The James Webb Space Telescope is designed specifically to detect this invisible light. These are the pictures that are taken from the James Webb Space Telescope that shows that life today outside of the universe might exist, and this is living proof that it still is working outside. We can use infrared light to see planets that are too dark to detect invisible light. We can look through thick dust clouds where the stars and planets form, and we can identify molecules in the atmosphere such as water vapor, methane, and carbon dioxide. When there are different planets that passes in front of stars, the James Webb Space studies those stars, which is very cool. There's also spectral fingerprint that is created through this infrared lighting. We can see from these pictures that are taken from the James Webb Space Telescope that how it's studying the stars. These are taken from the official website of the NASA. And these patterns of infrared lights shows us the biosignature gases. This is the James Webb Space Telescope and how it's potentially looking like in our universe today. This is what it sees in the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope has captured almost so many clear, detailed images of the universe which we have never seen. It has shown us early galaxies that were formed 13 billion years ago and giant exoplanets with water vapor in the atmosphere. It can detect light and show us graphs that no other material or tool has shown any of our scientists. These images that the James Webb Space Telescope collects is not just beautiful, but they are scientific evidences to understand how planets are formed. This is a model that I have made personally to understand the James Webb Space Telescope's mechanics, and it has helped me understand about its mirror, which is 6.5 meters wide, which is made with 18 gold coated hexagons. This helped me understand how it's standing, how different plating is done in the James Webb Space Telescope. And I could also understand how the golden hexagon keeps the James Webb Space Telescope extremely cold into minus 233 degrees Celsius just so that I can detect infrared lighting. It uses instruments such as NIR spec, NIR cam, and MIRI to analyze light, which is very cool. A lot of questions are answered from scientists through this, like how did the first stars get formed, and how is our planet evolving, and which planets are livable today, and is there life outside of our Earth? We can understand and connect to our universe even more closer through the James Webb Space Telescope, and we can understand how biosignatures such as carbon dioxide, methane can show us that life can exist. These are the citations that I've used in my documentary to understand the James Webb Space Telescope. And the James Webb Space Telescope is changing our understanding of the universe every day because of its infrared eyes, which are allowing us to explore planets that we could have never done, and understanding biosignature life throughout this. And as we speak, the James Webb Space Telescope is searching for wavelengths in the exoplanets which are released. And today we understand that we may soon discover that life is not unique just to the Earth, but to any other planet. And when that day comes, everything we know about biology, evolution, and our place in the universe will change forever. Thank you.